Welcome back, guys. Today, we're gonna test drive the all-new 2024 Kona. This one's gonna be the limited all-wheel drive, so it does have the 1.6 turbo engine, and that's definitely gonna make a difference. I say if you're gonna go for a drive, why not make it a fun one? Let's check it out. All right, so we're leaving the store. We're driving, starting off in normal mode. So I'm gonna put the car into reverse. You're gonna see the rear view camera start up. And as you can see, we have dynamic guidelines on both sides, as well as our sensors are picking up that sign in front of us right there. But as I start to get away from it, the colors are gonna disappear. All right, and then they show up because that cone's getting close, just to show you what's going on. All right. And then we're gonna join these people on the street. And as you can see, when you have your cameras up, once you shift it to drive, it's going to automatically shift to your your front camera. All right, we're going to inch out of here because you know Hyundai, we're all about safety. All right. All right, so it's in normal mode. This mode does have some pickup. This is the limited version, so it does have a turbo engine. I'm actually going to stay straight here. And what I'm gonna do is, right now our lane keep assist is not functioning because we're not going 40 miles per hour or higher. That's our blind spot detection, by the way. So I'm also gonna turn on our lane follow assist. There we go. Now how it stands now, this feels pretty much smooth. I'm not feeling the road too much at all, actually. I want to say this is going to be the more comfortable drive in this vehicle. You also have sport mode and snow mode. Sport mode's definitely going to feel the road more. Steering's going to get tighter. And in snow mode, I actually haven't driven in snow mode, but it has something to do with the distribution of power to the wheels. But we're not going to do that because we're not in the snow. I'm going to make it right here. And as you can see, every time I signal, my blind spot is in front of me on the instrument cluster. All right, and it disappears once you return to center. Just like that. That's okay. I'm actually gonna stay straight because he's gonna turn next. And I'm gonna go right after him. Yeah, no, the limited with the turbo engine has some nice pickup actually. I'm barely stepping on it, and in its normal mode, it's giving me more juice than I anticipated actually. Nice row of cars. Okay, while we're at it, so when we get some space, I'm gonna try to punch it a little bit. I'm also gonna try the adaptive cruise control, and I'll also show you guys the lane follow assist as well. I have a nice little lane area to do that on. Let's see. That's why we're here. Here goes the maps so you can see where we're going. 130. Let's go around this guy. Alright, perfect. Took that dip pretty well, I think. Alright, nice. I'm gonna get us to some lines. punch it while we're here. So of course you have that turbo lag, but once it caught up, this thing starts moving. And we're still not in sport mode yet, okay? All right, now we're gonna get to a street with some lines. Make right here. Perfect. All right. So once I get centered, my lane follow assist is on. This is actually gonna keep me in the center of the lane. This operates at 80 miles per hour, so you don't need to be going 40 for this one. But as you can see, my hand is not on the wheel and it is teetering back and forth to keep me in the center of the lane. That was indicating I need to put my hands back on the wheel. I'm gonna do it real fast. And we're gonna go back to what we were doing. So as you can see, the lane follow assist works really well. Even when the lane is curving a bit, it'll curve with the lane for you too. Okay. As long as it identifies you're in a lane, like so, it'll keep me in the center. I'm gonna make a left here. And I'm gonna put it in sport mode now. All right, perfect. Oh yeah, that pickup's way better. I actually barely felt any lag at all. So we're gonna keep going straight. You know, surprisingly, I don't feel the road as much as I anticipated I would in sport mode. I'm not feeling every single dig or every single crack. This actually feels nice. Perfect. Gas a little. Let's see how she handles this turn. That felt nice. Didn't feel shifty, felt pretty solid. You guys probably can't tell, but it's a hot day, so I do have my cooling seats on, and I gotta say, this feels great. I'm gonna make a right here and see if we can get some adaptive cruise control going. There we go. All right. Alright, so adaptive cruise control is on. Lane keep and lane follow assist are on. As you can see, no hands on the wheel is keeping me centered. And it's also maintaining my speed of 45. I'm gonna go ahead and slow down. Oh, got a green light now. I'm gonna let it keep going. Actually, I'm gonna resume that. There you go. So that whole time it was maintaining the 45 miles per hour that I set it to. Now I'm just gonna slow down since we're coming to a red light, but I'm gonna turn it on and resume it. I'm actually gonna switch to snow mode now. Speeding up to close that gap. it's gotten to the distance, so now it's slowing back down to maintain that different distance. And then when they move out the way, it's going to speed back up because there's no distance to keep now. And they also don't know we're heading towards a red light. So I'm going to, they sense the cars though. Good job, good job. Nice. And as you can see, it's slowing down, letting you know where it's going to stop at while approaching that vehicle. And we're going to pull in here. I'm going to turn on my cameras so we can get the whole visual. We're going to pull forward using it. Turn to the left. See my coworker in the camera right there. And we go reverse. Nice. Straight on back. And I hope everyone knows you can always see your bumper at the bottom right there. So you have a red line telling you you're getting close, but if you need to get extra close, you can definitely get closer to your bumper if you like to, okay? And other than that, that is the 2024 Kona. All right, guys, again, we just test drove the 2024 Kona Limited. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave a comment down below or come and pay us a visit. We'll definitely assist.